Hi, I'm Tony Graves with Remax Synergy, and welcome to 40 McIntyre Court, which is a gorgeous colonial home in one of Manchester's most desirable North End cul-de-sac neighborhoods. This gorgeous colonial features just under 1,500 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and even central AC. Here into the spacious dining room, you're gonna notice wainscoting, a smaller deck through slider doors, perfect for barbecuing, and then onward into your kitchen with brand new granite countertops, tons of cabinet storage space, and newer appliances. Over this way is your guest bath to one side, and then a brand new huge deck for entertaining. The deck features an exterior power outlet, plenty of space. You'll see easy access back into the home and guest bath, your central air unit, all overlooking quiet cul-de-sac. Okay, let's go check out the 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths upstairs. Right at the top of the stairs is your first full bath. Bedroom 1, facing the cul-de-sac. Bedroom 2 in the back corner of the home. And finally, your huge master bedroom with ducts for central air, plenty of natural light, overhead ceiling fan, and your private full bath. All right, let's go check out the garage and your full walkout basement. Down here at the bottom of the stairs is actually your laundry room with cabinets above. And there is a ton of storage space down here. Your mechanicals are tucked away in the corners. You could even finish this space. And as we said before, it's a walkout. And over here on the other side is your 1-car garage under, which leads out to your brandly new paved parking area. As you can see, there's plenty of parking out here. Easy access via Mammoth Road to the Interstate I-93. And again, I'm Tony Graves with Remax Synergy, and we'll see you soon.